Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our new class. In these modules, we learned about the different parts of a plant and their functions. Our chapter 9 is Parts of a Plant. In this chapter, we will become familiar with the parts of a plant and their functions. Recognize that each part of a plant that can variations. Know about seed germination is. Understand the importance of plants. Dears, you will notice that the herb, shrub, tree, climber and creeper look different, right? Their parts are also of different shapes and sizes. Let us learn more about this. Are you ready? Our body has different parts such as arms, legs and a head. In the same way, a plant also has different parts. All these parts work together to help the plant live and grow. Here, you look the parts of a plant in the picture. A plant's body is divided into two parts also. First, parts of a plant, which are the flower, leaf, fruit, stem and root. Here you can see that a plant's body is divided into two parts, root and shoot. What is shoot system? The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot. The stem, the branches, the leaves, the buds, the flowers and the fruits together make up the shoot. Shoot system produces sugars by photosynthesis and carries out reproduction. Next is root system. The part of the plant that grows under the soil is called the root. Root is the anchors the plant, penetrates the soil and absorbs water and minerals and stores food. Shoot system means above the soil, root system means under the soil. Each parts look different and plays an important role in the life of the plant. Let us move types of root. Root is the underground part of the plant that performs many important functions. Functions of the roots are: roots fix a plant to the soil. Without the roots, a plant would fall over. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. These are then sent to other parts of the plant through the stem. Some roots such as those of carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip store food in them. We eat such roots. Types of roots are taproot and fibrous root. I told you Roots have different shapes and sizes. They are of two main types, taproot and fibrous root. First one is taproot. This type of root has one thick main root that grows from the bottom end of the stem. It goes deep into the soil. Many small roots grow from the main root. Turnip, carrot, bean and mustard have taproots. Here you can see examples of taproots. Carrot, beetroot, sweet potato, radish. The second one is fibrous root. In plants such as grass, rice, wheat and onion, there are several roots of different sizes. All of them are bunched together. They grow out from the end of the stem. Many small roots that branch increases surface area, better absorption of water and minerals, less structural support, for example, peas, beans and lettuce. Here you can see examples of fibrous roots. Differences between taproot and fibrous root. Look at the picture. Taproot has one main root. At the same time, fibrous root has no main root. Taproot has small thin roots grow out from the main root. At the same time, fibrous root has thin bushy roots grow out from the base of the stem. Taproot, the main root is thick, the side roots are thin. But fibrous root, all the roots are the same thickness. Our next session, shoot. Shoot is the part of a plant that grows above the ground. It consists of the following parts: stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. First one is stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. It has many important functions. Then, functions of the stem. What are the functions of the stem? The stem gives support to the plant. The stem carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. The stem also carries the food made by the leaves to all parts of the plant. The stem of some plants such as sugar cane store the food made by the plant. Branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits grow on the stem. Plants have different kinds of stems. A coriander plant has a soft and green stem. A banyan tree or neem tree has a hard and very thick stem called the trunk. Some plants have very thin and weak stems. Such plants require support to grow. They are called climbers. Bougainvillea and money plant are climbers. The stems of potato, ginger and turmeric grow below the soil. They are called underground stems. They store food. We also eat these stems.